In this video, I'm going to share some real talk about tackling home improvement projects without losing your mind or your cash. If you're thinking about fixing up your place but don't know where to start, stick with me because I've got some solid tips that'll make the whole process smoother and less stressful. First off, always start with a clear plan. You gotta know exactly what you want before you pick up a hammer or call a contractor. Break your project down into smaller steps so it doesn't feel like you're climbing a mountain all at once. Next, do your homework on materials and tools. Don't just buy the cheapest stuff, but also don't go crazy spending on high-end gear if you don't need it. When you're ready to start, take your time and don't rush through tasks just to get them done. It's way better to go slow and get it right than to fix mistakes later. Also, don't be shy about asking for help or advice from people who have done similar projects. And remember, safety first, wear the right gear, and know when a job is above your skill level. Finally, keep a budget but expect some surprises. Home projects almost always throw curveballs, so be ready to adjust. One of the biggest screw-ups I see with home projects is people trying to do stuff that's way out of their league, like complicated electrical or plumbing work. That's a quick way to end up with hazards or code problems, so don't be afraid to hire pros for those parts. Another common mistake is biting off more than you can chew. Taking on too many jobs at once usually leads to burnout and sloppy work. Lastly, skipping the planning phase or underestimating the time and money needed can totally kill your project vibe. The fix? Keep it realistic, plan out each step, and know when to call in the experts. BigHomeProjects.com is pretty clutch for homeowners who want to connect with trusted local contractors without the headache of endless searching. Plus, if you're a contractor yourself looking for work, it's a solid platform to find new clients easily and grow your business. It's like having a buddy in the industry helping you out on both sides of the project game.